Welcome to KJ and Tony Move to France. Hi, I'm KJ, and this is my husband Tony. In 2022, we decided to condense our lives into a few suitcases each and move to France. This is our first apartment in Paris, where we moved in November 2022. Unfortunately, our plan took a detour when I became sick, and we decided to return to the US in February 2023. We learned a lot from this experience, and we are now regrouping our efforts to move back to France when the time is right. We're currently making Vero Beach, Florida, our temporary home base, in order to be close to my parents and other family. We're still traveling back and forth to France, scouting locations to ultimately live full-time. All of which we'll be sharing with you, along with tips for other Americans who may also want to live in France one day. We invite you to join us on our journey as we continue to make our way from life in the US to one day living in France.